Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. And at first I wasn't going to make a video, I was just going to make it. And I made it like this. But then I realized the red is still on top. It's going through the hoops. So this is not your common intersect tool, but there's a way around it. We're going to draw a square. And instead of like making another square, I'm going to make this thing like 36 points. Let's make it 50 points. And then I'm going to go to object and convert the outline to an object, and I'm going to left click, right click. Now, one of these has the circles and one of them doesn't. So what we're going to, and you're going to have to just kind of, it might not work out perfectly, but we're going to make a circle and we're going to put it like right there. And because, you know what, I don't know if I'm working the center of the page. No, now I am. And that's why I work in the center of the page for right here. Let's get that right to that edge. And we actually need to make that thicker. So we're going to go, that's too thick. Let's call it 10 points. Go up to object, convert the outline to an object. I'm going to left click, right click. And because we're working in the center of the page, I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 90 degrees. And see it put another one exactly in the same spot. Now, I don't know particularly if the weld key is going to work on this, but it did perfectly, and that's what you want. That's what we wanted. Now, let's make, for a second, we're going to make this all blue, and then we're going to make this one red, and we're going to move it over and rotate it like at a 45, well, no, like a 10 to 15 degree angle. And what I'm going to try to do is see, this is where I was saying you're going to have to manually make this thing fit into those squares. And it's going to be a little harder. You don't want to do that. You know, their squares are the same size. So why does it not work? You know what I should have done? I should have, let me put P, put it in the center of the page. And let me just rotate it manually. There we go. That's going to work. I'm rotating a lot more than they have, but I think I've got white showing on all the line. So instead of using the intersect tool that just really wouldn't work, I'm going to left click, right click on both these. And then you've got to think about with your smart fill tool. So first of all, as always, I'm going to group this together so I can get rid of it or move it out of the way. I'm going to take the red. I'm going to say this one is red. So it's going to go behind the blue there and show back up. I'm going to have to zoom in. And then it's going to be there. So it's going to go across. Well, that actually is going to turn that all. No, it didn't. Yeah, it is. So what I'm going to have to do is change it to a blue and see what happens. There we go. And make that all blue. Then go back to red. See what this looks like. Yeah. See, it looks like it's going through there. Now it went across, so this time you're going to skip this one. And this time you're going to skip that one. And since we want to go through there, we went through, so that's going to skip. There we go. Now, what I would strongly suggest, now, let's take the blue away. And let's remember we group these together. So I'm going to nudge them out twice, and I'm going to weld this together. That way, it's all one piece. So take this back and nudge it. And now we're just going to fill in basically we're going to fill in the broken or empty parts with blue. and it's going to make it look like it's going over, under. I say over, under a lot. Some people might go, I'm referring to like a highway, an overpass that's going over. You go over the road or under the road, over the bridge or under the bridge. Now, because that looks good. Now we made the blue, so no, we made the red all welded so I can do this. I'm going to actually just take the outline away, and I'm going to weld this and move that back. And there you go. Now, I'm really going to look at this, how they got it just to angles, that little bit of much. Mine, I think, looks equally as well, but if the person that sent me that, if he still needs help and needs to play around, if I was going to do it again, I'd have my rings a little thicker, but that's pretty cool. And I missed a little red spot right there. And see, that's why, if you remember, well, I deleted it. I don't ever normally delete that because I could put that back and put that red in there. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.